babes, welcome back to my channel. So I just got myself ready. Me and my best friend are going to Vegandale. This is gonna be my first time going to Vegandale. I've already had vegan food before. Vegan food to me is really good. So just the fact that we're going to like a festival with vegan food, I cannot wait to taste it. Like, it's really good. So yep, I just got my hair together. Looks really good. No makeup today. My face got a few bumps on it. As you guys know, if you've seen my videos, my previous videos, I'm really serious about wearing makeup and my face starts to have bumps on it. Like, no. So yep, no makeup today, just lashes. This is how I like to be most of the time anyway, so it really doesn't even matter. This is nothing new. I decided to give nails a break for a little second. I want to feel my fingers. I want to be able to touch things, grab things. So yeah, but I'll be getting my nails done next week. Just know I already got a nail style. I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and then be on my way to meet her. We're meeting at the mall. Yeah, I haven't ate anything. I kind of feel a little ugh, but it's okay. So yep, I'm about to go ahead and get dressed, and I'll see you guys when I sit down in the car. I'll see you guys when I actually get to my destination.
And you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Tidelocker.co.uk. They sent me 2 pair of Louis Vuitton. One is plush slippers and one is a pair of sandals. You can use my code Anaya to get money off, and it'll also be in the description box.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you...
Hey babe, so today is Saturday. I think it's like June 17th, 16th, one of those. You guys, I don't keep track of the days no more. Like, you guys, ever since COVID, ever since 2020, I don't keep track of days like that no more. I don't know what it is, but I'm all dressed up. I'm about to go pick up my sister. We have reservations at this place called Murray's, I think it's called, and it's in Rosemont. So this is gonna be both our first time going, so I'm really excited. Just gonna have some drinks, get a little lit, and you know, enjoy this nice day. I think it's about 69 degrees today, which is good because it's not too hot. The weather is really good. I love a good 69, 70, 75 degree weather. Like, that's good enough for me. So our reservations are at 1:30, so I gotta hurry up and get out the door so I can go pick her up. But before I go pick her up, you guys, I do want to let you guys know what fragrance I'll be wearing today. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Dossier. So they did send me the YSL. I have another YSL perfume. You can't go wrong with YSL. I love their fragrances. So this is the Fruity Brown Sugar. It's by YSL Mon Paris perfume. So let's see. Ooh. So you guys, with this fragrance, this is very vibrant. Like I said, it's a very nice day out. This is the perfect fragrance for summertime. So I definitely feel like this is giving very much, you smell really good, you know what I'm saying? You just got out the shower, you know, you'll definitely smell this perfume. This perfume is very potent, and it's perfect for the summertime, and brown sugar for brown sugar. Okay, so definitely check out the description box, you guys. Use my code Anaya10. I'm telling you, Dossier has the best fragrances where you can get designer perfumes at an affordable price. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to walk out right now because I think it's 11:59, so I definitely need to walk out. So I'll see you guys once I get in the car, or once I get there, because you guys know I don't really too much like talking and driving at the same time. So yeah. Oh, shout out to my girl Leah who did my nails. Fire. Love a good French tip. Okay, you guys, so I ended up getting the jumbo wings and loaded fries, and my sister got the marinated carrot steak and the Cajun rice and the bacon. Yep. And then we got a painkiller. So y'all, when we go to Cheddar's, we usually get the painkiller, but they got a painkiller here. So we gonna see how this tastes. It's strong. Is that the car? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. They got it on the drink. They may be up there with cheddars. They got it. For sure. And you can taste like the coconut. It's all mixed good in.
Hey, you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong.
Okay, you guys, so I am wrapping up this video because, yeah, it's I've been drinking and I'm ready to chill. Like, it's definitely one of those. Y'all, them painkillers, oh my god, them painkillers, all you need is two, for real. And like I said, usually when we go to Cheddar's, that's the restaurant, that's where I live. Usually when we go to Cheddar's, they tell you like you can only get two. Like, literally, there's a reason why it's called a painkiller, but usually it takes two to get me there. But at this place, look, I was already on two and didn't finish two. That's how strong their painkiller is. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate everyone who supports me and you guys still hanging on and watching me, because now I'm doing like vlogs and stuff. Now I'm not just doing content videos, even though I'm more of like a content creator, a person who likes to, like, I love doing videos in my room, like makeup, hair, and all of that. I love doing those. But yeah, I got more vlogs coming, you guys. I do have to get my camera fixed. I told you guys I do apologize about my camera. I do have to take my camera in to actually get it fixed. I hope it does not cost an arm and a leg, because everything else costs an arm and a leg, and life just in general is just right. It's giving me, outside is just a lot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Outside is a lot. It's been fun. Like, it's fun. Outside is fun, but it's a lot. Dang. The cost of living is just, it don't make no sense. Y'all, this is another reason why I fucks with Kevin Samuels, because he makes sense. Okay? R.I.P. to a real one. When he said, how are you going to get to the end of this life on your own unless you're making like 6 figures? Unless you're making like 6 figures. And you know, you can. I'm not saying you can't, but it's a lot of women out here that say they don't need men, and I really think we do. Not just because of the financial aspect, but just in general. Like, I've never been on this wave. Even after a breakup, even after, you know, a person does this to me, does that to me, or whatever the case may be, it doesn't work out, I never get on this, like, this wave of F these niggas, or like, you know, how females be, or I hate men, blah blah blah. No, I love men. I love men. Like, it's just like when Tupac was like, I could never turn my love off for a woman, even though they piss me off. Like, they be pissing me off. That's how I feel about, like, the same thing with guys. Like, people can literally do you wrong, piss you off, or y'all can have a disagreement, or then you be like, you could just be like, oh, I'm pissed off at this moment. But I can never just get on this wave where it's like, I hate men, because I don't. I love men. Like, just the presence of like a real man, like, you know, because I've been in the presence of real men, you know what I'm saying? So it's like I can never turn my love off for men. And then my dad has always been there for me as well. My dad has always been loving and caring, and always has kept it real with me. Let me know the realness of men, the world, like, you know. So I don't know, maybe that's why no matter what, I never turn my love off for men. I can never, like, it's people that turn off their love once they're hurt, or once things don't work out, and they're never the same again. And to me, I just feel like it's never like that. It's like a new me every time. Like, everything is a growing experience. Everything is a healing experience, like, you know. And I feel like the more the more you learn about yourself, the more you work on yourself, I feel like your situations will get better. It'll get better for you. And that's honestly what I feel like. I feel like my situations will always get better. I'm never stuck in the same place I was. I'm never in the same place I was when I was hurt, the same place I was as far as like my financial situations. I'm never in that same place. It's always like a growing experience, a learning opportunity, and you get better and better. You know, it never leaves me. I'm never in a mindset where I'm unhappy for too long, or I'm just feeling so sad for too long. I work on myself more, open to love, open to just more experiences, just new beginnings. Like, you know, if you're not learning from it and you're not growing from it, and you're not just like, your situations aren't getting better, then you really got to reevaluate yourself. And it starts with accountability, y'all. So yeah, tomorrow's Father's Day. Speaking of my dad, I love my dad so much. So I want to say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. You guys really don't get enough credit. I honestly feel like y'all don't get enough credit. There are men who really show up and show out for their kids and don't have to broadcast it. They handle their responsibilities as a man, and also not just being there for them as far as like clothing them, bathing them, you know, making sure they straight for school, or, you know, just making sure they just have things as far as necessities, but being there as a confidant, being there as someone you can speak to, teaches you, so that, especially with little girls, especially, it's really important with guys, I feel like, too. Oh my God, it's important for both, I'm gonna say, because with that, it's gonna really teach your son how to treat a woman, how to just handle things like a man, how to handle things with logic, learn how to just respect people in general, and communicate, be accountable. And then for the women, it's like teaching a woman that she needs to respect herself, and that you're definitely going to be there for her. You won't abandon her, you know. Be honest with her at all times. Be honest at all times. I think that's why I am the way I am. Like, I'm so honest and thorough, and, you know, I never want anyone to sugarcoat anything with me. And I really, really think I get that from my mom and my dad. But my dad is like really, my mom is really thorough, but my dad is really thorough too. So that's just why I feel like I am the way I am, you know. It's not hard for me to understand things, you know. Like I said, it just really comes from your parents, and I could really appreciate my dad for that. So, and maybe that's another reason why I don't hate men. I really don't hate men at all. I have so much love, no matter what happens with anything, you know. It's just, yeah. But let me turn off this video, y'all, because I feel like I've been ranting, and I've been drinking a little bit, but I mean everything I say, because that's just what it is. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are new. Make sure you're hitting your post notification bell, so when I post, you don't miss an update. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, share my video, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.